In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Hindu holidays to your Google Calendar for 2025. This guide will help you seamlessly integrate these important dates into your digital schedule, ensuring that you never miss a significant event or festival. Whether you're planning a celebration or simply want to be aware of these cultural moments, this process is straightforward and efficient. To get started, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google Calendar. If you're not already signed into your Google account, you'll need to do so. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted with your calendar view. Notice the sidebar on the left. It contains a variety of options that you can explore. Next, find the gear icon labeled Settings on the sidebar. It's typically located in the upper right corner. Clicking this icon will open up the Settings menu, where you can manage various aspects of your calendar. In this menu, look for Add Calendar. Once you click on it, you'll see an option that says Browse Calendars of Interest. This is a fantastic feature that allows you to easily explore and add various preset calendars directly into your own. In the Browse Calendars of Interest section, scroll down until you find Regional Holidays. This is where you'll locate the list of holidays specific to different countries and religious groups. It's packed with different options, allowing you the flexibility to tailor your calendar exactly how you want it. Continue scrolling under Regional Holidays until you see India Hindu Holidays. Depending on your region, it might also be labeled as Hindu Festivals. Both will give you the comprehensive list of Hindu holidays for the year. Once you've found it, simply tick the corresponding checkbox. By doing this, you're enabling the holidays to appear in your calendar view. The changes should be instantaneous, and you will see these holidays automatically populate your calendar. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully added Hindu holidays to your Google Calendar. Each holiday will now appear, complete with relevant details and dates, so you can plan your year around these key events. This tool not only helps you prioritize these dates, but also integrates seamlessly into your everyday planning routine. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Remember, staying organized is just a few clicks away with Google Calendar at your fingertips. Happy planning!